Well,
it's been a long time.
It's been a very long time. And we're back because we left.
We're missing Janelle. It's her birthday. Happy birthday, Janelle.
Happy birthday, Janelle.
When you guys see this, her birthday is already going to be over anyway. So
she's having a great old time. She doesn't drink alcohol, so she's living life.
She drinks alcohol. I bought her alcohol yesterday.
I thought she didn't drink alcohol.
Well, I bought her alcohol, but didn't go to waste.
Am
my mask crooked?
No.
Why are you staring at me like that? It's too bright in here.
Because it's been a while. I like it. It's so bright, and the sun is like making your mask glow. And we've been back to work. How's everybody feeling today?
I'm so tired because I'm going to work right after we do this.
Me too. I'm not going to work, but I'm tired.
You work all day.
I work all day. I like ran out of there to do this today.
So that's why our schedules are a little opposite, and we've all just getting back into the swing of things. And a lot of you fucking hoes are not watching this show anymore. And I know a lot of you are strippers because half of our views are down because you guys are going back to work. Like, that's fucking rude.
We thank you, though. That is always you.
But get back on it. Get back on it.
We promise we'll be back into it. We got a couple of interviews hopefully coming up, but we're not going to tell you.
Yeah, we're not telling you.
No.
I'm not telling you guys shit. Anyways.
My back hurts.
It's okay.
I need to go to a chiropractor.
If you know a good chiropractor, come on the show and get to crack her back.
Yeah. And then give them like a lesson on how to crack back so when you go, we can crack each other.
I don't want you guys cracking my back.
Well, I want you to crack my back.
Today I'm going to do her makeup.
Yes.
It's going to be so beautiful.
Oh, my God.
You can see her face right now. Clearly, she has no idea what she's doing with makeup. But we forgot foundation, so we're going to make it work.
No. There's a plot twist, and I recorded it. And it's because, I'm just going to add that in after.
Fine.
Plot twist. But
I will do it.
Yeah.
It's going to look beautiful.
And she doesn't know how she's going to do it because she has super white foundation. Oh, you don't even have foundation.
What do I mean?
No, we have this clay that she's going to put on my face that is to cover tattoos. So we found a solution. And it's, I wonder if this is I think it looks like my skin color.
It's kind of, yeah.
Well.
It's pretty dark.
It's going to be fun. What else are we doing today?
I got it for my skin color.
Did we get food?
No, but we are playing a game.
Okay.
We're going to play a game where we're both blindfolded and we throw a bottle.
Yeah.
And you have to dug out the way.
And I don't know why it's not a balloon with a tag on her forehead.
That's not how they did it on TikTok, man.
But that's like, I said it's going to break her tooth. Knock on wood.
Not going to swig it that hard. Okay. It's not a full bottle, and I took some of the water out, and
for
it's
me
going
to
be okay.
It.
I see people do it on TikTok all the time. It's going to be fine.
Well, this is exciting.
Janelle,
are you passing this to me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Janelle, what do you think about it?
It doesn't feel right without you. I don't ever want this to happen again.
Come back! Ow!
So how's it been at work? How are you having a good time?
I love work. I'm so happy to be back at my job.
Yeah.
And it's good because there's not a lot of girls.
That's good.
And yeah, man.
So what's the requirements to get back in there?
What?
What's no comment?
I mean,
well, what?
You need your license.
Okay.
That's very important. So get your license.
Sorry. I forgot.
And working in our industry, why don't you go get your shot at the same time?
I'm so sorry.
Anyways. But, yep. So we're going to get back to having shows on the regular if you fucking bitches watch. Go on YouTube right now and run up all of our fucking numbers. I want every video over 100 views.
We actually might do stuff in the day now, no? Because I feel like that's the best time.
No, we're going to go do stuff in the day because, like, I want to go out and I want to, like.
Well, look, it looks like I've been doing heroin.
Maybe
that's
you have
been hair color.
I've been watching a lot of soft white underbelly. And
what is that? Excuse me? Don't look at my nails like that. I wasn't on that show.
Oh.
At least you have a rubbing finger now for your eye.
Stop. Oh, no. I'm trying to hide my broken nails. No. Oh, no.
Oh, no.
But, yeah. Anyways, if you don't like to watch our show, there are some other good shows out there.
Which ones?
Block Talk Toronto is really fucking funny, and I love it. And it shows all local people in Toronto. Like, you know, when you're driving down Yonge and Dundas and you see that Chinese man screaming about how he loves pussy, you know a little bit more about him now from watching that show.
Yeah.
And I learned a lot about that hooker that I've been obsessed with for the last 10 years.
True.
So, yeah,
there's
go watch
also
them.
We Love Hip Hop. If
Yep.
you're all into that, any hip hop, they got
Toronto's
everything.
local
They know
talents.
they're right up. Yeah, they know they're right up to date. So,
Yeah, there's lots of other shows you could watch if you just.
which
get
is the
bored
other
with
one
this
that you like?
Okay, Channel 5.
Yeah, that one too.
Channel 5. There's
no,
like so big.
what's the other girls? You repost them.
Dancers Locker Room?
Yes.
The Dancers Locker Room.
Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause that's all stripper stuff, man. Like
Yeah.
us. Like me. And like you.
Sorry, man. I couldn't remember. I haven't been on social media really at all.
Well, their first page got taken off of Instagram, so now you gotta
Really?
follow their backup page. So follow them on Twitter because
That's terrible.
that Twitter is like a free for all. You can do anything on Twitter. You can post anything on Twitter. Twitter's the new spot.
It's
so
been the spot though.
go follow us on Twitter. What the fuck, man? What the fuck am I even posting on there for? Jesus Christ. Put a lot of work into this.
Oh. Look at how grown out they are. That's
I don't
okay.
know, I cut it.
No, you're real now.
I cut
you're
it.
fake now, I mean.
Oh, yeah. I got these before I started work, so time for a new set.
Yeah. Okay.
Anyways, I'm going to do her makeup, so take one last look at yourself.
This is all day me after
Before,
work. She works her magic.
Before I turn you into a beautiful princess.
Clap us out. Ooh.
My mask is so good. Clap, 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 clap. Everybody's always like, oh my God, little KAKA, how do you look so good? How do you do your makeup like that? How is it so amazing? And I really wanted to do a makeup tutorial so everyone could just look
You're not little
fresh face
KAKA.
like me. Oh, sorry, big KAKA.
I'm like, what? So I'm going to pick something off of Pinterest, and I want you to do it, okay? All right. This is going to be... I'm going to make it difficult for her. You got to show up, girl. You got your Q-tips when you got to clean stuff?
I don't need to clean anything. I'll make mistakes.
Oh. You heard her. Oh. Stuck to the chair.
What do you need? It's gonna be hard with
Okay.
this mask on.
Should I give you one that has steps for you? Or
No, I
Okay.
just want to look at it and
Alright.
do it.
I want this.
Okay, I can do that, no problem.
Really?
Screenshot it.
I did already.
Okay, let me see it. I need to look at it the entire time.
Really? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I
Close your eyes. You have to keep your eyes closed.
know, I can't even see what's happening. How is it coming to shot?
Okay, hold on. I need to think about what I'm supposed to do first. Well, first I'm going to put concealer on your face. Okay?
No.
Yeah.
Okay. Your primer?
None of your brushes are big enough for this.
Yes, they are. You can use this one. You can use them for anything. Make sure there's nothing on it. Wipe it on the... Yeah. I'm not supposed to be telling you.
Close your eyes.
Sorry, okay.
Okay? You're not supposed to open them until it's finished.
You have to do it nice. You have to try.
I'm going to try so hard. Okay. Jesus Christ.
Okay. You're forgetting a lot of things that you're...
Stop it.
Okay.
Hold on, wait. What? There's nothing else that goes on first.
I'm not trying to...
I don't have primer.
Go, just go. It's okay. Go.
What's this? What do you need here? What am I missing?
Nothing.
Okay.
Do you know how to put lipstick on?
No, it's gonna be okay. I'm gonna blend.
You're poking me with that.
I'm gonna
too.
blend it. You need to get right under the creases of your eye. You can't close them so tight.
Yeah, I know. I'm looking up. Oh, that's scary. Okay.
Stop moving.
Okay. You don't poke with that. You use the sponge. You swipe that one.
First,
You're
we
like,
gotta layer it.
under.
Stop
Kinda
it.
weird, like,
Where's your
we-
brown contour? Close your eyes. Okay. This is serious. Close your eyes.
Did you wet that blending brush?
I'm going to.
Okay. You didn't even know.
Is this a contour palette?
Can I have a split?
Yeah, is this a contour palette?
I usually put this powder all over my face, but I shouldn't talk to you.
Shut the
Oh my god, I just...
It's okay, it's already broken, okay.
Wow.
So we're almost there.
When I'm a good person, really, I'm not looking.
Okay.
Well.
Now, I'm gonna wipe this.
It's okay.
Didn't break it.
That's okay. It's clay. It's like fucking. It smells like fucking.
Okay, now I'm gonna put the dark for contour. Close your eyes.
How'd you get out of your mask?
What do you mean?
Go on.
It's on my mask.
Yeah, it's under your eye.
Uh-oh.
So, like, what look are we going for? Because, like,
We're just doing the foundation
are you
right
trying to
now.
change my whole face? You forgot to put on the foundation.
I'm not done.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe the sponge isn't good. We just use a brush. Close your eyes.
Okay. That's not gonna be. You gotta go.
We're blending.
No, we have to use a sponge.
The sponge doesn't look good.
It will. No, it's good.
I mean, I don't think I used it, but it's been in my bag for a long time.
I'm gonna wet it.
We're almost there.
Oh no, we're not.
Okay. So now we're gonna blend. Then you're gonna do this a couple times. Close your eyes.
What do you mean we're gonna do this a couple times? You hear the squish? My eyes have like air pockets.
Okay, not done. You really want to
Are
get
you
in the creases?
I feel like you're taking advantage of this. Oh my god. Okay.
That's good enough for now.
I feel like you're supposed to put that first.
Oh, you know what I was supposed to do? Your eyebrows. Let me draw them on.
You can do it after.
No. Close. Close your eyes. Look good. Looks good. Your eyebrow looks good.
No.
Close your eyes.
It looks like a Nike check. I know it.
No, they look perfect.
Can't wait till you get to the eyeshadow. I'm so excited.
It's almost.
Yeah, right. Scared me. It's like attacked my face.
The color might not match because we're working with.
Because you should have done that one after.
Wow, but actually doesn't look that bad. Okay.
Sorry, I can't look at you.
I'm an artist at work.
Whoa. It's like, whoa. Like,
Stop moving.
nah.
I already know what lipstick I'm using.
You just
Close.
squished underneath my eye with my eyelid covering over whatever makeup brush you just shoved. It's like.
The other one looks way better than the other. One eyebrow looks fucked up. Alright. Hold on. Let me Which ones? What are these? Blush? Blush?
So that thing shows you. There's some instructions for you. I'm not supposed to help you. Ew. No. Ew. Stop it. This is terrible.
No, it's not. Okay.
Yeah, I can feel it. And then one day I'm gonna do your makeup so pretty.
This is pretty.
No.
Yeah,
It's okay.
Oh. Oh no. Okay, hold on. I gotta go with it.
Oh my god, you did that on purpose.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, you did. Is it too red?
Mm-mm. She has it in the picture anyways.
No. Do we have to start putting in the things that we don't own any rights or something?
No, I just put the music name at the bottom of one of them.
I was like, I feel like I have seen you do this like zigzag thing with powder before, and like run down here a lot.
I'm good. Okay, now it's on to that one. I looks fucked up a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. That's fine. That's good. Yeah, I can't.
I look like a clown. I know that.
I want to say up to that point, I think it looked really good.
I have red hair. Decided to pick blue makeup. Oh, whoa.
For some reason, it's not sticking.
Oh, maybe because you need to put this on my eyelids first. Do you want me to start over?
No. No.
Go, we have no choice.
No, it looks good. Hold on.
Holy fucking hell. So what else are we doing? We're supposed to talk to each other.
I'm really
We
cooking.
can't even. I know. Okay, go. Oh my god. No. This is how I'm going all so wrong. There's sparkles too if you want to add that.
Yeah, I think that's gonna help. Okay.
I can feel my eyelids stinging.
I'm gonna give your eyes a break and do your lips.
No.
We'll come back for the mascara.
You better put a lip liner first.
What's that?
That. So it sticks
This?
better. No, that's eyeliner. This is lip liner. Okay.
Okay. Close your eyes.
Okay, go. What do you want me to do? Close or dry? Can I sharpen that? It's hurting me.
I'll do it.
And why are you driving me? Yo, you listen.
I need you to stay still.
Listen, you held right in this crease.
I need to. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Close your eyes. Why did you move?
You did that. Go. Go.
You laughed.
You make me.
Don't
You
laugh.
just made me
Don't
a whole new
laugh.
lip without me even moving. Bitch, whose lip goes down there? There's something.
Your lip now.
Look at this. What is this? Looks like the Hunchback of Notre Dame. trace the lip.
I got it. Close it.
What is happening? Are you even trying? I feel like you are really trying. Wow. This is humiliating.
Why are you moving?
You have to be joking.
Fucked up my makeup.
Oh, it's all me.
It's blue.
That's why you don't
Pucker your lips together. I think you're done. Hold on.
I can look?
Yeah.
Wow. That's real close. You forgot the sparkles. And here you have it.
I'm crying.
This.
You didn't push your lips together properly.
Oh,
Make the lipstick go everywhere.
I was going to look like a dad.
Make the
And their
lipstick go
child.
everywhere.
I'm making this voice recording because I already know I'm going to look like a dad whose child put their makeup on.
Nope,
Them.
it's gonna look
No.
gorgeous. Let me
Make the lipstick go everywhere. This is art. Yeah. I think so.
How do you think your eyebrow looks? This one looks good.
Oh, yeah, actually. You did. Don't put your crackhead.
Yo, it's like crying and snotting in my mouth.
I'm like. You tried, though.
I mean, I tried with what I had. I feel like if I would have had my makeup, I could have did
Why is
better.
my eyebrow crusty? What is that? The primer? You're gross.
Anyways, guys, thanks for watching us. And if you have ideas that you want to see us do, just tell us. You know, or if you want me to do your makeup, like, just let me know.
Yeah.
And I'll do it in case you need to go if you're at work and you don't got time.
A lot of money is going to come out of this. Just what I rushed here for.
It looks pretty similar to me. So.
Bye.
Blindfold yourself, okay? I'm not gonna swing it hard. I'm not gonna swing it hard, okay?
No, I don't even want you to swing it. It's scary. I want to swing it. Give it to me. You didn't even ask me if I want to.
I don't trust you.
I don't trust you.
I thought you knew what it
I
was.
know.
Are you blindfolded? Are you blindfolded?
I swear. Yes, here. Are you? I'm gonna look at your face. Sorry. So weird. Ready?
Okay, no, I'm not. I'm scared.
I'm just gonna drop it from behind me. 1, 2. Oh my god, that's too high.
Block your face. Block your face.
How? We're not supposed to.
Block your face with your hand.
1, 2.
I don't want to play anymore.
3. You go. Scary. I don't know where it is.
Oh, okay. I don't know.
Oh my god, I almost fell off the chair. This is scary. Oh my god, no, I took my eyes out. Wait! I wasn't ready. Okay, go.
I'm blocking it with my hand. I'm too scared.
Here, okay.
You're looking. You're looking.
No, I'm not.
Okay, go. I feel like you're winding up so far
No,
back.
I'm not. No, I'm not.
I can't
I
play.
can't even. It's like it's all bad. Oh my god.
I'm too scared.
That was scary.
Okay, I want to play.
No, come on. Close your eyes.
I can't. I have my hand blocking. It's a reflex. Okay.
It's a terrible game. You have to do it with the balloon. No, I'm not playing this anymore. It's making me have anxiety.
Okay.
I smoked. I'm like, oh, my heart.
I wonder what that looks like.
Like crazy.